Darcy!
Tom, you promised you wouldn't leave my side this weekend.
Darcy, what are you doing?
Tom, listen. I'm still mad at you for picking this pirate island, but I messed up too. I should have told you how scared I was to get married. That wasn't fair. You worked so hard on this pirate island wedding.
Okay, no. Please stop calling it that.
I just worried that if I told you, then I would lose you. And I can't lose you.
Saksikan Shotgun Wedding hanya di Midas XX1. Follow dan like untuk melihat lebih banyak keseruan.